Hello. Hello, good morning, children. Hello, anybody there? Good morning, how are all of you? Please turn on your video. Uttara and Azim.
Good morning, I am also eating.
You're also eating.
Yeah.
Okay, is it over?
Yeah, I'm just eating. Last eating, but now, when it's the class, I just put my food away.
Just after the class, you'll put in food and you make sure that you join before the time, on time, right? Okay, nice. So yes, how are you everyone? We're meeting after 2 or 3 days of time, right? How was your weekend?
My was like not good my weekend because I didn't have my weekend was bad.
It was just okay. Nothing much happened.
Not really. My friends just only come to play here and ask me to take off. Ma'am, I was having fever. Like, how do you know? First day, head pain. Second day, fever. Third day, it was no, it was okay. Third day, it was okay.
Third day it was okay. For mom also, many changes happened actually within this 3 days. I'm not the place where I used to be. Can you guess where I am?
You're in UAE?
No. In UAE, nobody's there of mine. It's inside India only.
Okay. You're in your mother's home like that? Yeah, except one. Like you're in your mother's home like that?
No, actually, I came to visit my father. I'm in Chennai right now.
Where are you now?
I'm in Chennai.
This is Chennai. Chennai?
Yeah.
You're in Chennai?
Yes.
I don't think that's very good, so I need to go there. Yeah.
So I came to visit my father. Father and mother is here. So for 10 days I'll be here.
I say that I was going to your mother's home.
Actually, it's not my mother's home. My mother's home is in Kerala only. And my father's is also Kerala. My father is working here in Chennai. So my mom came here with them. And we just want to accompany him. Me, my brothers, my two daughters, we all are here right now.
No, this is reminded me of when my whole family comes to the house in India. It does have sleepovers and not for some reason.
Okay, yes, nice. Yes, children, how was all of yours weekend?
It was good, not really good. It was great.
It was great.
Head pain weekend. Head pain weekend.
Head pain weekend. Okay, yes, children, I just want to inform you one thing. You all saw the message in the group about the school magazine.
Yeah, where should I put the magazine?
Yeah, we'll be giving you a in the classroom. I'll be giving magazine, no, school magazine. There you can submit your works. Okay.
We can submit our work today, India, right?
Yes. And before that, just after this class, all of you want to do what? You have done something for Republic Day, right? Yeah, Uttaras and Azals is already there. You already sent me a video, right? And personally, you have to send me your work. You done some drawing and all, right? Zenobia, Aini. What about you? Did you done anything?
I did poster and a story.
Yeah. So are you done with? Are you ready with poster? You already submitted it, right? You already showed me, right?
Yeah, I saw the
Just send me the screenshot of that personally, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Just after this class, okay? Just after this class, you have to do that because I'm actually making a video on that on the Republic Day programs. I just want to make sure that every works are there, the activities, every children, then it was there. Okay. So Zanubia, how are you were doing a speech, right? Let me try whether I can add the YouTube clippings there. Okay. Rayan Joshi, you also send the screenshot of the work that you have done. Azil, you also done one thing, right? In Canva?
Canva, yeah.
Yeah, you can also send that.
In the magazine.
No, not in the magazine. You can send me personally today, right after this hour. Okay. Just don't forget everybody, okay? I'm making a video. Okay, children? So,
Okay, ma'am.
that's it.
Okay.
Zenobia, don't forget it, okay? Yes, for what purpose I'm giving you submission date? Hmm? Why am I giving you submission date for homework and assignment and all?
Ma'am, I was done my whole assignment. I can't submit when I done my homework too.
Aini and Ryan, you are not doing anything. Why is it so? Ryan Joshi, you haven't submitted at least one project and one assignment. For what purpose? For whom are you waiting? Look, I'll just show yours.
15, is it?
Yes, Jan 17, right? Jan 17
Yeah,
was the due date of
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, on that, I say the last one was showing incorrect, but that thing was correct.
Aini, look at this.
When I finished it,
For
my
you,
mom said
there
yes,
is
it
a.
was-
Okay, you have done all this, right? For you, one is missing. Workbook, homework is missing, Aini. Why?
Workbook homework I done it.
No, yeah, Ryan Joshi, Zanubia. What happened, Zanubia? Yeah, Zanubia excused. Yeah, Zanubia, I'll excuse you.
Ma'am,
But
I
you have to
done it
submit this.
already. Ma'am,
The-
how much do I have missing?
You have, Aini is having one missing. This one, the workbook homework is missing.
I thought I had so many more missing.
No. You have only one missing here. And
How many I have?
Ryan, just look at yours, Ryan. Are you there? Look at this. You haven't done at least one work. Look at this. 4 of this is missing. Why? I am giving only some works when you just look at the other teachers, right? When comparing with the other teachers, I am giving you only some works, right? It's because I don't want to make you in pressure by giving so much lot of work. Okay. Understood, children? So just do one thing. Ryan, the submissions are already opened. Ryan. So just don't wait. I will just wait only till today. By today 10 p.m. I'll close all the works. All of you are hearing. For anybody who's having missing, you can submit. Like I haven't opened the workbook homework, but I'm opening it right now. Do you see it? I'm opening it right now. Zanubia, the one you have sent me in the phone through WhatsApp, no? You just submit it here.
This.
Okay.
Okay.
Only Hawa and Uttara done the workbook on time. Workbook homework on time. For all others, it's pending.
Ma'am,
Yes.
today I will do assignments.
You have to do it today before 10 p.m. IST. Okay, before 10 p.m. Indian time, before 10 p.m. you have to submit it. Otherwise, I'll close all that.
Indian time?
Yeah, Indian time.
So that would be like 8 or 9.
Yeah, before 8 UAE, you have to submit. Got it? Got it, children? Before 8:30 UAE, you have to submit. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, children. So, what we were doing? We were doing the questions in the percentages, right?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the diagram, then write the missing number. One moment, children. Just do this question, okay? Just try to do this question by your own. I'm here. I just want to give this call. Take a call, okay? Yes, 1/4 of a diagram is white. These 1/4 is equal to dash percentage. 1/4 is equal to how much percentage, children? 1/4 is equal to how much percentage? Come on, say me the answer. What is 1/4 in the percentage manner? Azil, are you busy with something, Azil?
10 by
You are not saying you are not uttering any word here.
10%, ma'am.
Is it 10% 1/4? What is this, children? Half means how much percentage? Half means how many percentage? How much percentage? Half.
50.
Yeah, half is 50%. So 1/4 is what? 1/4. This is 1/4.
25.
Yeah, it's 25%. Always keep that in your mind, children. Don't forget that, okay? 1/4 means always 25%. And what about 3/4? 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. So 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4. So what will be 3/4? What is 3/4? You're just forgetting each day all of this. I used to describe all this all the every day, no? 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1 plus 1/4 is 3/4, right? So 3 into 25% means what? Children, what is 3 into 25%? 3 into 25 is what? Just answer me, please.
75%.
Yeah. Why no one is answering? So 3/4 will be always 75%. Okay. Look at this. 3/4 of the diagram is colored. That means one is blue, one is green, and one is yellow. The colored part 3/4 is equal to how many percentage? 1/4 is 25. So what is 3/4? 75. Will you forget? Just write it somewhere and keep. 1/4 is equal to 25%. 3/4 is equal to 75%. It should be unforgettable. You have to know all the time this. 1/2 is equal to 1/2 is equal to how much percentage?
1/2 is 50% and the other will also be 50%.
Just write all of this in a box and keep it in a notebook. 1/4 is equal to 25%. Half is equal to 50%. 3/4 is equal to 75%. Just keep it somewhere and without forgetting. You should not forget this anymore.
Mariam, Madhuri, are you okay? Check your network is stable now. I am putting on my background. Okay. What's good, Mariam? Okay, that we have discussed, but this, look at the next page here that you didn't done yet. So, yeah.
Then children, then with that, did you written all this? 1/4 is equal to 25, half is equal to 50%, and 3/4 is equal to 75%.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Written.
Okay, Mariam.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that one here. Yeah, that book. In that book, please take this one.
Okay, I take the 41.
Okay, very good. Probably,
I take 4.
Done everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're going to run this. Okay. What percentage of the 100 squares is covered by the robot face?
okay. So draw
Write this percentage as a fraction.
in this picture.
Okay.
They say what percentage is covered with the robot face? What?
50.
Very good. It's 50. That means 50 squares is covered by robot face, right? So it is what percentage?
50.
So out of 100, when we say it is 50%. So write this percentage as a fraction. So 50% is what fraction?
50%.
Good job. 50% is 1/2. Very good. Very good, children.
Here what you have to do is that we have to draw
So written everybody?
5 materials that are changing in this picture. Means they are changing into new materials. So that means we have to circle, right? So I just want to know that is the egg just changing to new material or not? After frying?
Yes. New materials.
Yeah. This only and new materials. And what about the cake?
Okay.
So here it is cast in a bread.
Yes. Copy the table and write this percentage in the correct column. 35% smaller than 1 by. Is it 35% smaller than 1/4? What is 1/4? You can write it in your textbook.
Then this boy, this man is cooking
Where will 35% come? Is 35% smaller than 1 by 4? Bigger than 1 by 4 but smaller than 3 by 4? Bigger than 3 by 4. Where will we write 35%?
Yes. That's right. Around here.
What is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 is?
25%.
Yeah, 1 by 4 is 25%. So, where will 35% come? Is 35% smaller than 25%? No. So, where will this 35% come? Bigger than 1 by 4 but smaller than
3 by 4.
3 by 4. 3 by 4 is 75%, right? So 35% will be coming in between them. So we write 35% here. Okay. Now what about this, children? What about this? 50%. Where will it come? Where will 50% come? Zanubia, what happened? No response are coming from your side.
No.
What happened? Just say anything. You're not talking. Why? 35%, 50%. Where will it come? What?
The bigger than 1 by 4 but smaller than 3 by 4.
Yeah.
If it is a solid or a liquid.
So 50% will come in between. Oh my God. 35% here. 50% will also come here, right? What about 74, children? Where will 74 come? Okay. And so I couldn't display the slide. So when I join from this phone, you have to display this slide and ma'am will be taking class. Okay. I'll give you the instruction for what to change, which to change, when to change it.
Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, don't come fast. That is for that is what we are. 74% come, children.
In the bigger than 1 by 4 but smaller than 3 by 4.
Yes, that is also will come in between bigger than 1 by 4 but smaller than 3, because 75% is what? What is 75%?
Smaller than the 3 by 4.
Yeah, 75% is smaller than 3 by 4. That means 75% is 3 by 4. So 74% will come in between when it's smaller than 3 by 4, right? What about 14, children? 14.
In the smaller than 1 by 4.
Yeah, smaller than 1 by 4. It will come in between smaller than 1 by 4. What about 85%?
Bigger than 1 than 3 by 4.
Bigger than 3 by 4. Good job, children. What about 88%?
Smaller than 1 by 4.
Good job, good job. Very good, very good. Yeah, smaller than 1 by 4. What about 80%?
Bigger than 3 by 4.
Yes. Okay, good job, children. So, can we move to next question? All are done with this question?
Yeah.
Okay, yes.